Are you a baby care specialist or parenting content creator with tons of valuable advice, but no app to reach your audience? What if you could turn your baby care routines, parenting tutorials, and expert tips into a sleek mobile app in just a few hours without writing a single line of code? Let's show you how we built this fully functional parenting guidance app using Stitch by Google, Bravo Studio, and a few powerful integrations. We prompted Stitch to generate a soft, family-friendly design for a baby care and parenting app. It includes a welcome screen, a login page, a video library for parenting tutorials, and a featured section for sleep guides, nutrition plans, and daily routines. Once the design felt right, we exported it to Figma. Here, we made visual tweaks, adjusted typography, the color palette, and layout to reflect a nurturing, trusted brand for parents. Using the Bravo Studio Figma plugin, we applied Bravo tags to key screens like the login page. This tells Bravo exactly how to process those screens into real, functional mobile app components. We then connected the screens using Figma prototyping to map out the full user journey, from login to accessing baby care content. We also created a custom app icon to give the app a clean professional brand presence on the user's device. Now it's time to bring the design to life inside Bravo Studio. Bravo instantly converts your Figma file into a real iOS and Android mobile app. No code, just copy and paste, and go. You can test it immediately using the Bravo Vision app. To deliver your parenting video content and baby care tutorials, we embedded a custom video player using Bravo's Web View tag. This player connects to your hosted videos or YouTube/Vimeo content, so your users can watch and follow along right inside the app. Next, we set up secure login using Kind, integrated via Bravo's external OAuth snippet and a Xano backend. This ensures that only registered and/or paying users can access your exclusive parenting content. We used Bravo's Xano snippet to manage user accounts, saved resources, and parenting content, all with zero backend coding. Want to monetize your app? Add RevenueCat or Kind billing, and you're ready to offer subscriptions, exclusive content, or unlockable baby care guides. And that's it. In just a few steps, we built a fully functional parenting and baby care app with no code, ready to support your community, grow your brand, and help you turn your expertise into a mobile experience. Whether you're a parenting coach, doula, or baby care educator, Bravo Studio is the fastest way to bring your knowledge to mobile. Enjoy building with Bravo Studio.